Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a book cart with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 double bearing plate. We're going to set down a pair of 1x4 plates with two studs, followed by another 2x2 double bearing plate on the other side. That's going to be the base. Now I want to set some books in this area, so I'm going to start with a 1x2 flat tile. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 jumper plate. I'm going to place this in to where it's offset by half a stud. I'm going to place this one right here, right between these stubs. Another 1x2 jumper plate right here. And the last one right there. Then I'm going to take some of these 1x1 by 2/3 plate with the stud on the side. We're going to place these as shown. These are going to be used to anchor our books down to the base of our cart. I'm going to set this assembly right in here. Line up all those jumper plates and the tile. And right on this side here, a 1x2 brick. Then we're going to proceed on with a 1x2 plate with stick. Place this right here. This is going to be our little handle. For the top, a set of 1x4 plates with two studs. Place those right there. That gives us the top portion of our cart. Then I'm going to set a 2x2 jumper plate right here. That's going to be a very large book. Followed by 1x2 jumper plate and a 1x2 flat tile, and that is coral. And then for the top studs, I'm going to place some 1x2 flat tiles. These are just going to be books placed on the top. Now I want to flip this cart over, and I want to place 4 hollow studs. Now I want the stud portion facing inwards. These are going to be like our little wheels. Sometimes they want to fly away, so you're going to have to really force those on, but they do fit on there. Place these two right here, and this will complete the book cart.